Hey guys, BigMan Videos here. I had something to show you, but the bird left. So I seen a bird getting a piece of grass out of this car, just going up to it, sitting in front of the grill, like on the car, getting a piece of grass out of it. Guessing collecting a piece of grass or something. I'm thinking, weird bird. But another topic, bear's almost here. About, another month maybe? Yeah, another month and bear should be here. I can't wait because me and my friend, CSP Nation, Country Style Videos, is gonna be at the fair, doing YouTube videos. You know, like Ferris Wheel Season 2, let's see, we're gonna go on the zipper maybe, just probably walk around. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. I can't wait. And I also can't wait because me and my dad are gonna go see Larry the Cable Guy. Can't wait for that either, because he's one of my favorite comedians. Oh, wait, here it is. Watch the bird. It's like right under the car, see? It's a bird being weird. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right, yeah, see? Bird being weird. I mean, there's actually branches. There's actually trees and everything around. There's actually trees and stuff around that the bird can go to. Yet it goes to a car getting pieces of grass or leaves or whatever out of the grill of the car. I had to show you guys that. Yeah, I had to show you guys that. But yeah. So, I definitely can't wait for the fair. I just hope I have the days off to where I can go. Because if I can't, well, I'm gonna be a little mad. Not too much, because work comes first. But I would like to go to the fair some days when it's here. Because some people that I know go there, so yeah, that's another reason. See? It's happening again. See, you can see get something. I don't know if you can see it, but I think it has a piece of grass or something. But anyway, yeah. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Can't wait. Now, this has been BigMan Videos, signing off.